How do you quantify such a kind of an opinion-based thing?
Yeah, here I have to speak about Chalmers University of Technology, because Chalmers is one of the leading university in Sweden in terms of applied science. So that means most of the researchers I know, most of researchers belonging to the research group where I have been doing my PhD, for example, or working as a postdoc later, it's all applied science, meaning that industry is going hand by hand with the research. And most of the research questions are actually inspired by the industrial questions. So industry comes to the university and say, okay, we have this existential problem. We need to find a solution. And this is not the way, this is only the way how these existential problems can be solved, because there's no consultancy who can do it. It's a long process. So when I was hired as a PhD student at that time, perceived quality was a witchcraft. I can say it with a high confidence. So it was a witchcraft, because from one point it gives a huge market advantage to any company. So that means it's a highly classified area in every company. As soon as it becomes highly classified, it becomes kind of things itself. So then it relies to the people, to the specific industry professional who bring a specific culture, the way they work with the topic, and of course it never goes outside. And this where we came, as soon as we understood that this is how it looks like, we very quickly understood that we need to apply scientific principles if we want that topic to evolve. And the primary scientific principle is openness. So open access. Make it free and make it release. At the same time, of course, we still have to be able to work with the company. So to make this story short, we performed almost 4 years long study where we went to the majority of the premium and luxury car manufacturers in the world. I spent some time, for example, Michigan University, going to Chrysler in Auburn Hills and talking to people from Cadillac. So interviewing all those people, we understood how they work with the perceived quality. What are the attributes? What is the sort of the approach? And this approach differs from company to company. It's completely different.
Right.
Some companies perfectly work with just 4 attributes. And some companies have like more than 130, more than 150 attributes.
Wow.
So the complexities varies, and the way of working, as I said before, is very individual. As soon as we collected that information, we thought, all right, so we need to make it somehow democratic. We need to share that knowledge with the world, how we can do it without exposing our peers, because they really were super nice to us, I would say, opening doors to the researchers and showing sort of their internal kitchen. So